Hi, boys and girls. Our first story in reading for 2021. This week, we're going to be looking at technology, how it's changed our lives, the fact that it can be helpful and fun and useful for us, but we also have to be cautious on how we use our technology and what we do with it. So, let's get started. You're going to be listening and following along to High Tech Bullies, and then you're going to complete the work on slide 4. Just a few vocabulary words this week, not many, just 3. Record or record, to preserve something. So I'm recording or keeping a record of something, that's preserving it. And then if I hold a record, I have done something that is greater than someone else, and I have exceeded in that category. Estimate. Well, we've been doing that in math. It's to come up with an approximation or to approximate. Approximate means just to get something kind of close. And we know that term from math. We are getting a number that is close to what we think is the right answer when we estimate. All right. And number 3, focus. To make an adjustment to produce a clear image, so you put the camera in focus, or to point attention at something. So I want you to focus on getting your story read today or completing your math task. All right. Hi, Tech Bullies. 12-year-old Mariah Lopez had a problem. Girls in school started a mean rumor about her. As a result, Mariah started to get text messages from disturbing content. Because she started to get threatening calls from numbers she didn't know, Mariah asked for help. Today's bullies have gone high tech in record numbers. They threaten others through email and instant messages. They post hurtful words on websites. They use cell phones to send nasty text. E-bullies are on the rise. 1/3 of kids surveyed in a recent study said they have been cyberbullied. Experts estimate that girls are twice as likely as boys to be victims of cyberbullies. As a result of this problem, many states are working on laws to ban cyberbullying. They want schools to punish students who do it. Mariah's school district added cyberbullying to its anti-bullying rules. Because Mariah got her parents and the principal involved, the cyberbullies were caught and they apologized. So on the second page, it kind of gives you a list of what to think about. Follow these steps to help you stay safe from cyberbullies. Don't give out any personal information on the internet. Of course, you wouldn't do that. Watch what you write. Make sure you don't say things that you don't mean or are hurtful to others. Okay? Because once you put it out there, it's always there. So be very careful how you say things and think twice. Block unwanted messages or phone numbers. Do not reply to any messages or IMs, instant messaging, that make you uncomfortable. And keep a record. Print any harmful material you receive. And that's easy to do now too, isn't it? To keep a record or to print things out or to screenshot it or all kinds of things that you can do. If bullying continues, let an adult know. I would always say just let an adult know right from the get-go. So on the bottom, there's a little graph that gives you a thing about what top things kids do on the internet now. So you would probably add homework here because you are in a virtual classroom online in Google Classroom. So you would probably be able to add that. And I bet you if they took a poll right now in the United States, that would be really high, like probably in the 90%, because there's lots of kids that are at home doing virtual schooling. So send or read emails, 89. Play games, get news or information, send or receive instant messaging, and do other things like books online, maybe Audible books online, And you're doing that kind of with RAS Kids. Maybe listen to music. I know lots of you are getting on different music websites when you're not doing your work. And then the last thing, or clothing. So maybe you're just shopping for something online too. I know I've done that. Okay, so that is high tech bullies. A little cautionary tale, boys and girls, just be careful, okay, online. Today's assignment is to take each one of your vocabulary words and write a sentence. When you write a complete and healthy sentence that makes sense and has a thought, a complete thought in it, make sure that you use a capital letter at the beginning and the correct punctuation at the end. Okay? All right, boys and girls, that's all for now.